Baidu, the Chinese tech giant and the leader in artificial intelligence, has delivered a strong performance in the first quarter of 2023. The company reported a net income of $848 million for Q1 2023, compared to a net loss of $49 million in Q1 2022. This is a remarkable turnaround for Baidu, which faced challenges from the COVID-19 pandemic and regulatory pressures in the previous year. The net income growth was driven by several factors, including higher revenue, fair value gains, and improved profitability. Baidu's revenue increased by 25% year-over-year to $4.31 billion, beating the consensus estimate of $4.13 billion. The revenue growth was mainly fueled by the recovery of its core online marketing business, which grew by 27% year-over-year to $3.08 billion. Baidu also benefited from the strong performance of its non-advertising segments, such as cloud services, smart devices, and online entertainment. Baidu also recorded fair value gains of $1.03 billion in Q1 2023, compared to fair value losses of $1.38 billion in Q1 2022. These gains were mainly attributed to the increase in the value of its investments in Kuaishou Technology and iQIYI. Baidu owns a 17% stake in Kuaishou, a popular short video platform that went public in February 2023 and saw its share price soar by more than 300%. Baidu also owns a 56% stake in iQIYI, a leading online video streaming service that reported a 29% revenue growth and a narrower net loss in Q1 2023. Baidu's profitability also improved significantly in Q1 2023, as the company achieved an operating margin of 19%, compared to a negative margin of 2% in Q1 2022. The operating margin expansion was mainly due to the revenue growth, cost control measures, and operational efficiency improvements. Baidu's non-GAAP earnings per share, EPS, were $2.34, beating the consensus estimate of $1.84 and reversing the loss per share of 34 cents in Q1 2022. Baidu's Q1 2023 earnings demonstrate its resilience and innovation amid a challenging environment. The company has successfully leveraged its AI capabilities to enhance its core business and diversify into new growth areas. Baidu is well-positioned to capture the opportunities in the fast-growing Chinese internet market and create long-term value for its shareholders. One of the main reasons why Baidu made a huge profit in the first quarter of 2023 was its impressive revenue growth. Baidu's revenue increased by 25% year-over-year to $4.3 billion, driven by strong growth in its online marketing services and cloud computing business. Online marketing services are Baidu's core business, which includes search advertising, display advertising, and other online products and services. Baidu's online marketing revenue grew by 23% year-over-year to $3.1 billion, accounting for 72% of its total revenue. This growth was mainly due to the recovery of the online advertising market after the pandemic, as well as Baidu's continuous efforts to improve its user experience, content quality, and technology innovation. Cloud computing is Baidu's fastest-growing segment, which provides cloud infrastructure, artificial intelligence, and big data solutions to various industries. Baidu's cloud computing revenue surged by 55% year-over-year to $639 million, representing 15% of its total revenue. This growth was fueled by the increasing demand for cloud services from enterprise customers, especially in sectors such as education, healthcare, finance, and transportation. Baidu's cloud computing business also benefited from its leading position in AI technologies, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and voice recognition. One of the reasons why Baidu made a huge profit in Q1 was its fair value gain of $1.4 billion from its investment in Kuaishou, a short video platform that went public in February. Baidu invested in Zhihu, China's answer to Quora, along with Kuaishou and two other companies in August 2019. Zhihu is a popular question and answer platform that has more than 100 million Q and posts on various topics. Baidu added these posts to its main app, which is a combination of a search engine and news feed, to enhance its content and user engagement. Kuaishou, which is backed by Tencent, is one of the biggest live streaming platforms in China and a rival of ByteDance TikTok. It raised $5.4 billion in its initial public offering, IPO, in Hong Kong in February 2021, making it the world's biggest internet IPO since Uber in 2019. Baidu's stake in Kuaishou increased significantly in value after the IPO, resulting in a fair value gain of $1.4 billion for Baidu. This was a major boost for Baidu's non-operating income and net profit in Q1. Baidu's investment in Kuaishou and Zhihu shows its strategic vision and ability to capitalize on the growth opportunities in the online video and social media sectors. Baidu also benefits from the synergies and cooperation between these platforms and its own services. By investing in Kuaishou and Zhihu, Baidu not only diversified its revenue sources and improved its profitability, but also strengthened its competitive edge and market position in China's internet landscape.